In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove object in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll be confidently cleaning up photos by taking out distractions with just a few clicks. First, open Adobe Express and either open an existing design or start a new one. Bring in the image that contains the object you want to remove, or select it if it's already on your canvas. Higher quality images generally produce better results, so if you have a larger version, use that. Once the image is on your canvas, click it to make sure it's selected. When the image is selected, the image editing panel will appear, usually on the left or along the side. If you don't see it, click the image again to ensure it's active. In that panel, look for the option labeled Remove Object and click it. This opens the tool that lets you paint over anything you want gone. Before painting, adjust the brush size slider. A larger brush is great for quickly covering broad areas, while a smaller brush helps you trace around edges with more precision. You can change the size as you go, so don't worry about getting it perfect right away. Zoom in if you need to be more precise, and try to paint over the entire object you want to remove, staying as close to the edges as you comfortably can. It's better to slightly overlap the object's boundary than to leave gaps. If you accidentally cover more background than intended, simply undo and refine your strokes. Take a moment to make sure the object is fully covered by your brush marks. When you're happy with your coverage, click Remove. Adobe Express will analyze your selection and generate several filled-in versions showing how the area could look without the object. Give it a second to process, especially on detailed backgrounds or patterned surfaces. Now, browse through the result options. Look closely at edges, shadows, and repeating textures to see which version blends most naturally with the rest of the image. If none of them look quite right, click Generate More to see additional variations. Sometimes a fresh set produces the perfect blend, especially if the background is complex. When you find a version you like, click Keep to apply it to your image. If you're not satisfied and want to try a different approach, click Discard to return to the brush and refine your coverage before removing again. That's all there is to it. With a careful brush and a bit of patience reviewing the options, you can quickly remove unwanted objects and clean up your images in Adobe Express. Thanks for watching and enjoy polishing your photos.